him with the venom and eliminate him. Other words, I'm intimate him. I don't wanna hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage. I'm murdering, kill nobody will evade him. Finna kill him and dump the fucking bodies in a lake, obliterating everything incinerator. Renegade him, hit him, make anybody who want it with the pin and frame. Don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill. I'm a killer, be killed, I'm a killer, be the vanilla gorilla. You're bringing the killer within me out of me. You don't wanna be the enemy of the demon who in me. I'll be in the receiving enemy. What stupidity it'd be. Every bit of me's the epitome of a spitter when I'm in the vicinity. Motherfucker, you better duck or you finna be dead the minute you run into me. 100% of you is a fifth of a percent of me. I'm about to fucking finish you, bitch. I'm available. You wanna battle? I'm available. I'm blowing up like an inflatable. I'm undebatable. I'm unavoidable. I'm unevadable. I'm on the toilet bowl. I got a trailer full of money and I'm paid for. I'm not afraid to pull them. Man, stop.
Competition at Jamaica, no challenge, most of them, no talent. Two fittest call the school board, you didn't start it, tune code, shoot for chest, hard kick, brute force, murder she would. Versus the jeans and a low valley wall, and me soldier them roll at the road with a force of the gods and we holding a ghost and we totally gross. And we kill well, most of we don't, and we yelling at me crew, not a bag of meal, most of his baby, you hold well. I am near drill you, choke you, but me not kill you. Attempted murder, no, I'll take away your girl, oh look, me skin her out and put it in her mouth. Hold it, but I won't pimp her out, no trees on me, come she come, companionship, come in, come here, my baby, keep my company, communication, complete honesty, hallucination, if you want it test ya lose me station. Me new school like preschool, me also old school like the I Love Lucy station. I wonder, now Stevie just wonder if they know I'm an alien stuck on earth with Ken Rowe. Clark, tight jeans, small shirt, big stage show, last my thing gon' work, we close it.